Hey everyone. Well, I'm on the TriPod, so you can see this beautiful sunset here. It's like this every day. It gets nicer than this. Sometimes you get some really crazy colors. About 15 minutes ago, it was like that. We had just some more vibrant colors. But this is when I got a chance to sit down and make this video. So basically, I wanted to talk about the TriPod system that we have on this pod right here, and explain how it works and the changes that we've made over the last couple months. So this is the diagram of the pod that I'm in right now. So I'm right here in the living area, and so we have this structure that you see above water. Like this is the water line is about here. So I'll just get a pen here and draw. So the water line is about here. So everything above this red line you see above the water, and everything below is hidden below the surface. So then let's take these are the solar panels. These are one of the outer spars. So there's actually 3 outer spars, which you can see on this aerial top-down view. So we have the solar panels. We actually now have one of these is for a backup generator system, as well as a seating area, and then this third one is for solar as well. So we have quite a bit of solar power, more than what we need. We just don't have enough batteries right now, unfortunately. So jump to another one of these pages. Okay, so this here is this section. So this section here is over here, and this round part here is this. Okay, this is the side view, and this is the top view. So what we did for some of the changes we made on the model to make it more resilient to tipping and moving around is we sealed all of the 3 outer spars. So this red circle here, this is now an access manhole that is bolted shut, and you have to unbolt it with like 12 bolts to open it up and seal. So then there's a gasket there, so water doesn't leak into it. So we have one of those. These are all sealed, whereas before these were open. And there goes the lights. We're doing some upgrades for the lighting system and testing it. So they're going on and off. So I have a little bit of a light show for this talk, for this presentation. And okay, so this is what the access manhole looks like, and these are the different bolts. These are the bolts here, 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 all the way around. So that is now sealed. So there's 3 sealed compartments here, but it's also sealed on the bottom, which is where the let's go here. So basically that first seal is on the top here, and then the second seal is here, and then we have a third seal which is on the inside of this tube, which goes here into the center spar. So that is, if you have a good visual on that, yeah, maybe here. So yeah, this is what the tube goes into. This outrigger tube goes into the center spar. This is the center spar here, right? So we have this end is sealed, and then this end is sealed, and then this is sealed here as well. So now we have 1 and 2 sealed compartments, but that is replicated 3 times. So there's 1, then 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6. So now we have 6 completely separately sealed compartments that there's no water that can leak through or pass through. There's no pass-through holes, which is something that's quite common in the marine industry. There's usually access holes where water can be pumped in or out, and we wanted to seal that off completely, so that just is not a factor. The only access hole to the water is several feet over the water, and that is right here. And right now we have an access port there that has a lid on it, and that lid is also being sealed as well. It doesn't need to have the same kind of seal as we have on these outer spars, but we will be putting a little bit more of a tight seal on it. We still want to get access into here pretty regularly, just to check things as part of the regular maintenance. But yeah, so that's most of the changes that we've made. I think that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we'll be happy to answer them.